It's gotta be a joke. Ain't no way we doing all this.
Good morning and welcome back to the channel. Me and Luke spent the first half of the morning getting all the equipment needed for this job. And so today we're doing a little bit of a reclaim type job. We're clearing out this section of this customer's yard that's a new build, and this corner's just suddenly gotten overgrown, and they're wanting to get it back so they can mow and use this portion of the yard. So I'm gonna go over with Luke. This is Luke's first time seeing it. What do you think, Lukey?
It's gotta be a joke. Ain't no way we doing all this.
You said we'd be done by. You said we'd be done on lunch.
Yeah. No, let's go home. I'm ready.
Let's go home. All right. Well, we made a pretty good dent in it. I'm not even sure that we even needed the bush hog, Luke, because I'm using the scrapple bucket and just raking all these, because there's a lot of vines, a lot of grapevines, but there's a lot of trees in here too. So I didn't bring my chainsaw, of course, but the tractor's been able to push them over. They're dead from where the vines have covered them up. But what I think I might need to happen, Luke, is that
We'll get lunch?
no, I'll go get lunch. Whenever because these vines are hooked to these trees, so when I'm pulling it out, it's just pulling it all off. So I may need you to go get your favorite tool. The head trimmers. And as I'm pulling, you're cutting. What's wrong? You don't like the head trimmers?
No, not at all. Guys, it is currently 12:03 and we're still working. It's lunchtime. There's something wrong, boys.
All right, so we made a pretty good dent in it. You see, we've cleared from here to about right there, and all that's left is that back corner. I do think we're gonna need a chainsaw though, Luke. Where is your chainsaw?
A house.
Can we go get it?
Y'all wanna go get it?
Yeah.
I guess.
No, can we go get it?
Yeah, we can go get it.
But first, what we gotta do?
Get lunch.
Lunch. All right, lunchtime. Me and Luke's back from lunch. We've got the chainsaw and we're going to cut these stumps so I don't bust another tractor tire. And then I think we're going to cut these down that all these vines are tangled in. And I'm gonna come through with the hedge trimmers and kind of cut the vines back. That way everything falls over nice and clean, and we can.
Sit in last in case I dull it.
Okay.
I hit the dirt.
I believe we're finished. We just got to clean up, get this bush hog off, put the backhoe back on, and then get this big old pile of brush into the trailer. So we'll see in a minute.
Same thing we did. They just hit it done terribly.
Oh! Look, how bad is it to have to take this thing on and off?
Terrible, dude. I've got 47 busted knuckles.
The great thing about this tractor is, you know, it's small enough that it doesn't tear up yards. It's powerful enough that this backhoe can really do some work, and it's versatile enough that we have all these attachments that we can use for it. The only problem is taking the backhoe off and putting on some of these other attachments can be a real pain in the butt, as Luke is showing us. Backhoe is on. All the brush is cleared and approved by the homeowner. They said it looks good. And so now we just got to take that big old pile that Luke's working on, put it into our trailers up there. All right, we got everything cleaned up. Unfortunately, the trailers are stuffed to the brim, so we're going to have to clean these up a little bit, and then we'll be done. All right, guys, me and Luke are done. We just finished up in the dump trailer out. We've got to get this trailer cleared out. But I appreciate you guys coming to work with us today. I think we did a good job on that yard. It was overgrown and unused, and we cleared it out and made it ready for grass seed and ready for them to be able to use that portion of the yard. If you guys haven't liked or subscribed already, go ahead and do that, because we've got a lot of fun projects coming up. And very soon mowing starts, and that means the entire crew is here and we have a blast. We work hard and we have fun while we do it, and there's a lot of fun characters that we have working with us. I think you guys enjoy watching. So if you haven't liked and subscribed, go ahead and do that, and I better go help Luke before he demands I feed him supper too. So see you guys next time.